a pain's been on the left. So.
I know.
Okay.
We always have to adjust the opposite side of you, remember?
Right.
That's a whole different topic. Shoulder back. Slight motion, that's better. Push your knee up against it. And push your knee into the floor. Got two motions. Nice. Okay. How's that feel now?
I'm still feeling a little bit, but it's more like a nerve pinch.
Let's have your left side up. You could be bringing me something different for once. So, face the opposite direction. Can I talk about your spine?
Yeah.
So if you have curvature of the spine, scoliosis, any deviation from what we say is a normal straight spine, it changes the rules. So literally to get rid of left-sided pain on your spine, I'm adjusting the opposite side quite often. Just release, you feel it? Yeah. Shoulder back. More.
So scoliosis.
What's that?
So scoliosis, you adjust the opposite side that the pain is on. Okay.
Sometimes, not always, but it does change the rules.
It's pretty cool though.